your right leg. Okay, this happens a lot. Her feet are in a good position. Square your hips to the back of the mat. She moved her foot. She didn't need to. Hold this groin back. Yeah. Press both feet equally. All right. An adjustment here would be press your hands together. Don't overlap your thumbs. Press your hands together. Press your hand palms together. I'm pulling her up here. Look at how far she can go. All right, inhale, come up. Keep your hands where they are. Bring your shoulder blades together a little more. There. Keep like that, pivot to the other side. So it'd be Trini inhale up, pivot to the other side, touch body, exhale, fold over your left leg. Yes. Pulling the belly in and up, just like any forward fold is gonna help the rib cage fold more. She's safe here, safe here. She can round more here. Go down more. Keep your chin up. Go down further, closer to your leg. There you go. Plancha inhale all the way up. And then exhale to the front of your mat. Have you ever felt your hands go that high before?